Looks like this unit does have an air conditioning unit system. You can feel it blowing, but it's a cold day, so I'm not sure if it's cold air or not. That knob's a little bit not quite working, but this one clicks in and works as it should. The heater does blow air. The knobs work. The radio does come on, but I'm not sure if the speakers aren't working. The volume does not go up, so I'm not sure if it's just not coming in signal. The signal's not coming in or what. Windshield wipers do not work. Windshield wiper fluid does not work. I'm not sure what that button's for. No air coming out of the rear vents, so I'm thinking you have to turn it on here. If you turn it on here, the rear air vents work.